Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I will show you how you can create a LinkedIn account. So without wasting our time, let's get into it. So open your browser and head over to linkedin.com. Scroll a bit and click on join now. Enter your email and password. Enter your first and last name. Enter your city name. If you don't have a recent job title, then you can click on I am a student. Provide your academic information. Confirm the email address that you provided earlier. You can select any option, and this depends upon you. You can add what kind of jobs you are looking for. You can turn these options on, as you'll be notified whenever the job is posted. You can also turn this option on. That said, we've successfully created our LinkedIn account. Now let's see how we can customize our profile. Click on the camera icon and upload your profile picture. Now let's add a banner image. Click on Edit Public Profile and URL to set our custom link to our profile. There are lots of options you can play around with and make your profile more attractive. You can search and look for groups that you might be interested in. You can also search for people you want to follow. So that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to drop a like, share it around, and consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this. And I'll catch you in the next one.